Hello everyone. Happy Saraswati Puja to everyone. Today is a very special day in India. I think I have Indian means I don't have any audience for now. But yes, happy Saraswati Puja to all. There was a superstition that is in our uh, religion, that is we are prohibited to study at the day of Saraswati Puja. But it is a superstition. I have checked a YouTube video, and there it was said that there is nothing mentioned in our scriptures. Of course, I cannot read all the scriptures, right? So I'm going to provide an information based on some other video. And in Google too, it was written that there is no such prohibition in our culture to not study on Saraswati Puja. But still, I did not study because I have done this research recently at 9:30 p.m. and I did not study all day. I was in the stock market for 5 hours straight, not straight. Uh, in the middle, I did not open my Pomodoro. I opened it for 2 hours, but for 2 hours I was on my phone and I did not open the Pomodoro, so it would not be tracked for 5 hours. But I was for 5 hours in stock market. All the losses that I had previously had all gone down. I have cut all the losses, and it was a very good day for me. And yes, regarding running and other things, I ran for 5 minutes today. Only 5 minutes. Why? Because I felt like if I will run for 25 minutes, I will die. Sort of things. My legs were a bit paining, but it's okay. I will try to run a little more tomorrow, like 15 minutes or 20 minutes. I'm planning to run few kilometers after this month, but for now I am down to 2.5 kilometers to 3 kilometers. It is okay for me. And regarding discipline, mindset, and other things, I'll speak about it tomorrow because today I had no such things. Like I watched a movie 2 hours and 30 minutes long, Chak De India. I have not watched it recently, but it is a very good, nice movie. So I watched it full. I completed the whole movie. I was feeling really bored, so I decided to watch it. Today was not a very productive day, but today was a good day. I have done all the basic tasks like workout, meditation, and my stock market analysis. I have not studied or touched copy and or anything, but I am going to do it now, and work on my 2 or 3 vocabularies then that I will learn today after this video. And I will also make some notes of tomorrow's class, and then I will go to sleep so that at least I can keep my mind on studying for 1 hour. So 1 hour more Pomodoro will be there. I might or I might not show that in this video because I may edit it before doing the okay, I will do the studies and then I will upload it in the video because tomorrow I don't have that much hectic class. Tomorrow is only like 2 hours of classes, so tomorrow I will try to be as much productive as I can regarding my studies and as well as stock market as well as coding. I did not code today too. I think I will code today. I really want to code. I already missed yesterday, so I don't want to miss it today. So I will code for 1 hour. I won't make any notes. I will just code, and after coding, I will sleep. And I will do this while turning on my Pomodoro, and I will also show what I did today in this video at the end of this video by attaching the screen recording video at the end of this video. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow. I forgot to mention that today is the 14th February, the 14th day of maintaining a discipline. Today was not a very disciplined day, but it was very disciplined too. I woke up at like 6:30 a.m. and then I slept again, and then I woke up again at 7 a.m. Then I did my workout. After working out and doing brushing my teeth, I slept again. Then I woke up at 9 a.m. and started spending time in stock market. I did not do anything at all. After that, then I went for doing praying and everything else at 10 a.m. Like bathing and all. After that, I again sat on the stock market. I analyzed the market, talked to a friend. Then I went to my friend's house. You can hear the cat voice. I will show you guys my cat. Wait, come here. Like this is some entertainment, right? I locked him in my room. He does not like to stay in the room. He was just a stray cat recently. I have adopted him recently. The name I decided to give him was Chick Chick. He is known as Chick Chick. Say hi. He just wants his food for now. He always wants his food. He wants his food like for 12 times a day. Very nice cat. Very cute. I don't know if it is he or she. Let's see. Then this is my cat. What do you want? All it wants is food. See, see. He will pop. Okay, okay. I don't want views on this guy's name. Hey, say you did not sponsor my channel. Chippy chippy chappa chappa dooby dooby daba daba. Okay, okay. See you tomorrow, guys. I will type it whatever I did tomorrow or whatever I am going to do it. And I am going to attach it in the last of this video. Thank you, guys.